In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add a trade into TradesViz. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up TradesViz on your favorite browser and then log into your account. Now from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the add data over here. And once from here, you'll need to see the add and import section. Once from here, you'll need to click add trade. Once from here, you'll need to see this page right here, where I can add it into a trading account. I can choose a direct all of your accounts, but from this tutorial, I'm just going to choose the account 1. You can also choose an asset type, either stock, future, forex, crypto, or stock, future, index option. Once from here, you'll need to enter in the symbol that you want to add inside of your trade. So let's just click in O for realty income, and from here, you can click if you want to bypass simple auto matchmaking if you want to do that. Down here, you'll also be able to add in the price. So let's say I purchased it for $10. You can also change the currency, decide either buy or sell, the trade data, quantity, the commission, fees, and whether or not you want to execute the closing executions. And then you can add execution over here. Down here, you'll also be able to add in the notes for the specific trades, and you can add the text down here. Like so, you can also add stop loss and profit target. And once from here, you can click save like so. From here, you'll simply be able to see it over here, and you'll be able to see that your stock O, here the symbol, has been added into your portfolio inside of which trades. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!